Hi guys, this is the Java series part 52. In the previous sessions we have discussed about the non-static inner classes. Now let's discuss about the static inner class. What is static inner class? A static inner class is created inside the class. Okay, this structure is called the static inner class. It can be accessed by the outer class. It can access only the static data members and methods. It cannot access the non-static data members. Okay, see this example. Here I have created the class. Class name is test outer 1. And here I have created the variable. Variable name is data. Its data type is integer. Okay, here I have given the static keyword. If I use the static keyword with the variable means, okay, we cannot reinitialize this variable. Okay, and here I have created the inner class. Inner is the name of the class. Here I have used the static. So this structure is called the static inner class. Okay, and inside this inner class I have the method MSG. So what is the role of the MSG? It is used to print the data on my console. Okay, here this data is the static variable. Okay, that's why we can use inside this method which is present inside the static class. We now only discussed static class can be accessed to only the static data members. Okay, and here I have created the main method. Execution starts only from this line, and here I have created the obj object. How can I create? This is the outer class name, dot operator, and the static inner class name. Okay, followed by the name of the object. And right hand side new keyword and the outer class name, dot operator, inner class constructor. Here I want to access the method which is inside the inner class, that is the static inner class. What I will do, I can use this object to call that method. Okay, so obj.msg. After encounter this line, the control jumps from the 14th line to the 6th line. Okay, so here this statement will be printed on our console. That is 30 will be printed on my console. Let me execute this one. This is our output. Okay, I hope you all understood about what is static inner class and what is the execution flow of the static inner class and how can we create the object for the static inner class. Okay, and I have one more example. Here I have the test outer 2 class. I have the data variable, and inside this test outer 2 I have created the static inner class. Class name is the inner. And inside this inner, I have the static method. Okay, actually, in the previous example, we have the same code, but here there is no static keyword. But in this example, I have the static method. Okay, this is the difference between this example and the previous one. Okay, so what is the role of this one? It is used to print the data variable on my console. Okay. So this is the main method. Execution starts only from this line. Now I want to call this method. What I will do? First I have to create the object. But this MSG method is the static method. So there is no need to create object to call this method. Why? Because this is the static method. So no need to create any object. So we can use the outer class, dot operator, inner class name, and then dot operator, the name of the method. Okay, this is enough. Why? Because MSG is not a non-static method. This is the static method. Okay, so now after encounter this line, the control jumps from the 15th line to the 6th line. Okay, and the value of data will be printed on our console. Let me execute this one. Here, this is our output. Okay, so if I remove this static keyword here means what will happen? Here we have the compile time error. Cannot make a static reference to the non-static field data. Okay, because this is the static inner class. So this static inner class can access only the static data members. If we use the non-static members, we got only the compile time error like this. Okay. Again I write the same. The error is gone. Okay, let me execute. Here we got the output. So there are two types of inner classes. The first one is the non-static inner class. The second one is the static inner class. Okay, the non-static inner class is again classified into three types. First one is member inner class. Second one is anonymous inner class. Third one is local inner class. So we have completed the inner class concepts. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.